Quality control explained, Six Sigma. When we think of quality control, the first thing that comes to our mind is a checking procedure that will eliminate all defects from a product. Well, that's right to some extent, but quality control is much more than that.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Quality control pertains to a set of processes that will ensure that a given product is complying with the requirements of the customer. What do customers want? The answer is simple, and customers seek functionality with quality. A product that has better quality will perform well in the market than a product that has low quality. Quality control is not a single step and requires several sets of procedures to be accomplished. What is quality control? Quality control can be defined as a set of processes that a company follows to ensure that its products are meeting customer requirements. A major misconception regarding quality control is that only large organizations follow the principles of quality control. This is a wrong notion, as smaller companies must also focus on quality control, as it will immensely boost the growth of their organization. The quality control label is attached to a product after its quality has been checked. If the product does not meet standard norms after a quality check, it is sent for revaluation and the process of manufacturing is revised. What is quality assurance? Quality assurance is another aspect of quality control. Often quality control and quality assurance are confused with one another. That is completely wrong, because quality control and quality analysis are completely different things. Quality assurance can be seen as the theoretical aspect of quality control. In essence, quality assurance frames the guidelines that need to be followed by doing a quality control assessment, whereas quality control involves doing those things in practice. Though both are similar in their purpose, the methods are not the same. Quality control and quality assurance can be seen as two sides of the same coin, as their result are to ensure that the product is meeting the necessary rules and regulations. Quality assurance and quality control are sometimes considered the same and are usually written as QA/QC. What are the aspects of quality control? There are three standard aspects or guidelines for quality control. The quality control description and aspects are as follows. Well-managed processes. A product with the highest quality is through a well-managed process. It makes the overall job of quality control easier because they already comply with the customer requirements. This is to ensure that the processes involved with the manufacturing of the product are up to the mark. Any shift in the procedure can result in unforeseen situations that must be avoided. Possession of skills by the quality control technician. The quality control technician must ensure that the product has quality by ensuring that it is following the guidelines set for it. A quality control technician applies the knowledge from the skills learned, experience gained, and knowledge possessed. One is ineligible to become a quality control coordinator or technician without the necessary skills. Focusing on soft skills. Soft skills are crucial for every organization, be it interpersonal communications, instilling a sense of team spirit. Soft skills are important for the overall procedure of quality control. It enhances the person's capabilities with better equipped to manage the activities of the quality control procedure. With the various aspects of quality control. When these aspects are kept in mind, quality control becomes a manageable task. Without these aspects, you would be doing a dummy quality test to just keep it in the records. Quality control inspectors have a tough time keeping quality products, as all of the above aspects might not be present at the same time. Even if a single aspect is missing, it can ruin the entire process of quality control checks. Origin of quality control. Quality control is not a modern term. It has been around for a very long time. You would be surprised to know that the earliest incidents of quality control check data back as old as the 19th century. Early tools designers were known to check the tool's functionality before setting out to use them or make them available to the user. Maybe that's how the concept of quality control originated. In the earlier days, quality control was used to identify defects based on accept or reject method. Sketches of an ideal tool were drawn. The finished products were compared to the sketches. If they matched the sketch, they were accepted, and if not, they were rejected. This simple concept has grown manifold to emerge as a full-blown quality control analysis. History of quality. The quality control procedures of today are more sophisticated and use modern technology. AI and IT have made it possible to utilize the resources to apply effective quality control measures to processes. Also, the principles of quality control have changed. Earlier, quality control only took into account the physical appearance of a product. But nowadays, people are strictly monitoring the functionality, recycling, disposal, and design of the product to determine the quality control procedures. All these things work together to ensure that the defect rate is significantly reduced. Quality control measures have also been used for stabilizing production. Different approaches to quality control measures. There have been different approaches to quality control. Most of the approaches have the same theme but are different in a way or two. A few of those approaches have found widespread acceptance across the globe. Let's take a look at some of the most accepted quality control approaches followed by people around the globe. 1. SQC Statistical Quality Control. This has been around since the early 1930s. A statistical method is adopted in this approach that uses charts and samples to check the quality of the product. 2. TQC Total Quality Control. Popular in use since 1956, the TQC approach, essential for quality control in business, has been revolutionized at Harvard Business School. It emphasizes the importance of marketing, accounting, sales, and human resources. This was the first method that broke down the different elements of quality control measures. 3. SPC Statistical Process Control. Statistical process control focuses on individual processes and uses feedback to regulate the process of quality control. 4. CWQC Company-Wide Quality Control. Invented in Japan, this method of quality control has led to the growth of some of the most recognized motor companies in Japan. 5. TQM Total Quality Management. This is relatively new and first came to use in 1985. It aimed for continuous organizational improvement and was used for the US Defense Quality Control System. 6 Sigma. The most popular quality control method, 6 Sigma, including quality control in 6 Sigma, was conceptualized by Motorola to enhance its manufacturing processes. It utilized a statistical approach combined with an analytical one. Lean 6 Sigma. This is the latest quality control method and has been around for the past decades. It focuses on removing wastage and defects from the manufacturing process so that time and money of companies would be saved. Examples of quality control. To understand quality control in 6 Sigma in a better way, let's take a look at some quality control examples across various industries. Food industry. In the food industry, the main aim of quality control food checks is to determine what the food product is going to taste like. It is also tested for toxicity or allergic reactions. If the test subject develops serious ailments after consuming the product, it is discarded, and the other products are scrutinized properly. Pharmaceuticals. This is a sensitive industry, so the products have to be examined very carefully. The quality control methods follow a stringent set of guidelines to ensure the medicines and products are safe to consume. Biotech quality control is used to regulate different pharmaceuticals. The sole purpose of medicines is to treat people. If a medicine makes someone sicker, it is unfit for use. Quality control chemists are in high demand because their roles are some of the trickiest roles in quality control methods. The salary of a quality control chemist is high-paying. Automobile industry. Automobiles like cars, bikes, or trucks have to be sent through quality control measures to ensure that the parts are functioning properly. They are also tested for fuel efficiency. Electronics. For electrical equipment, quality control might be done to ensure that there are no short circuits or harmful effects of using the electrical appliance. The importance of quality control in business is emerging slowly to take over the roles of regular and unprofessional quality controllers. Quality control techniques. Every organization has different quality control techniques. Several parameters need to be considered while performing a quality control analysis. Charts, samples, data, or feedback are used to simplify the process of quality control. Often, a specific attribute is given more importance during the process of quality control. This leads to ignorance of other areas. For a comprehensive and holistic quality control approach, efforts must be made to take into account all the aspects of quality control.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.